All right, so what's going on, family? Wanted to get here really quickly. So I had a couple people reach out to me and just basically requested a really quick pistol handgun tutorial just on handling, operating, that kind of thing. First thing I want to say is, of course, if you're ever handling a firearm, make sure you're never pointing that firearm in any direction that you're not willing to destroy. So don't just go around. Now, I'm outside in the range, I'm in the outdoor range, so I still have to be careful in general. But you never want to just take your firearm and just, point it around, whatever. You don't want to sweep your buddies. Sweeping basically means pointing your firearm towards somebody, because at any moment that firearm could have ammunition in it. And of course, you'd be in a bad situation with the law, and of course, probably with whoever you hurt because of your carelessness. So also, you want to make sure you never take the firearm and have your finger on the trigger. Before you're going to shoot your gun, you want to make sure that you always have your finger off the trigger. So let's kind of get into handling. So grip wise, your firearm, you always want to have whatever your strong hand is, the most of the firearm. So your grip hand, whatever it is, your support hand, you want to come in, bring it in where these two meet up. Me personally, I kind of come around here. And something I've learned is that you always want to have your fingers pointing towards the direction of where your firearm is pointing. So you point it down, helps with aim, helps with stability as well. So that way you can get a full actual extension out in the firearm. When you're talking about breaking down a firearm, so Glock, for example, if you're ever going to break your firearm down, this is how you do it. Press back here, press forward, pull the firearm apart. You got your barrel, you have your spring, you have your actual body of your firearm, obviously break down. Take your spring, put it back in, take your frame, you fit it on the grooves. You guys can see that or not. You fit on the grooves where you had it, and then from there, you put it back on target and you're good. So with ammunition, very, very simple as well. So you have 9mm ammunition. My gun is a 9mm, it's a Glock 19 Gen 5. Of course, you have your mag well, put inside your firearm. Of course, you have that grip like I just said. If you're ever ready to rack your firearm, you rack your firearm, come in, get on target. Obviously, so you see, that's how that works. All right, fam, so as you can see, it's pretty windy, so my target kept kind of blowing around, but I got some pretty linear groupings. I wanted to kind of fade down the line of the silhouette of my target. So term-wise groupings are just basically the group of shots that you took and the accuracy that they had. And yes, it was this windy, so don't judge me that much on my groupings. And I was only about not even 5 yards back, so yeah. All right, but that was basically it I'm doing today. Of course, I'm no gun aficionado, no gun trainer or anything like that. I just, I'm an enthusiast when it comes to firearms. I like to train and study them, and I like the idea of self-defense and protection, all that kind of fun stuff. And I had a buddy of mine who reached out to me and asked to kind of do a little quick video on the usage of firearms and how to hold properly, how to grip properly, some terms, that kind of thing. And so that's basically what I did today. And our special guest joined us. He had a great time, as you can tell, as well. But hey, that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys are safe. Stay packing, get certified. Remember, firearms are not a game. They're not a toy. They're not something to joke around with. make sure that you're not being an idiot, honestly. Treat it with respect. Treat it as a weapon, because it is a weapon. Don't play around with it. Don't, play stupid games with it. And, don't use it unless you absolutely have to, and unless your life is in imminent danger. Because you don't want to do something stupid, and you also don't want to get in trouble with the law. So that's all I got for you guys today. Be safe out there. Peace.